This chicken smells so good. I'm gonna have a little bite. Oh my gosh, it's juicy and it's so flavorful. If you want to know how to make the best chicken, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how. Hi, this is Victor with spicegnome.com and welcome to another episode of Spice and Advice. Today we're going to make one of the easiest recipes ever, fried chicken. And instead of frying it in regular oil, we're gonna use an air fryer. Very simple, very easy. Legs and thighs, throw a bunch of herbs and spices, season it, and put it to cook. Very, very easy and really delicious. You're gonna love it. Let's start with our ingredients. Our ingredients are 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of sage, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, an envelope of sazon, 2 pounds of chicken legs and thighs already cleaned and trimmed, and olive oil. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken. I had legs and quarters, so what I did is I just cut them in half. So I have legs and quarters. And then we're gonna put all of the ingredients in. If you have any kind of jewelry, you might want to take it off, because we're gonna get messy, we're gonna get dirty. We put the salt, pepper. We're just gonna dump everything in. Doesn't have to be pretty because we're gonna be mixing it with our hands. Garlic paste. We're gonna put sazon. It's a seasoning that you will find in any Latin store, and it's amazing. It's really good. Usually you use it for stews, but I love it to put it in meats when you're gonna fry them because it gives the meat this extra seasoning. Put it in, and then we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. And now we just mix. And you want to cover all of your chicken pieces with all of the spices. That's all you're gonna do. I mean, there's nothing more involved with this. Just cover everything. Like this. You see how it gets, like the sazon gives it a little bit reddish color. When that cooks, oh, it's gonna be awesome, really awesome. You're not going to regret it. And now that we have it, so mix, so season, tastes delicious. Now we're gonna get ready to cook it. Okay, so this is my air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, I would suggest you get one. This is the most, next to the stove, this is the most tool used in this house, even more than a microwave. I mean, we use this all the time. So sometimes we use it for lunch and dinner because it's just that amazing. Very easy to use. What I did is I ran it for 3 minutes at 400 to warm it up, because you want, when you start to cook your chicken, you want to seal it first, so you want it to be hot already. So you just open it, and then I like to spray a little bit of olive oil or any kind of spam, Pam, or whatever oil you have, so the chicken doesn't stick. Then we're gonna take the pieces and we're gonna fill them in with the skin to the top. So we put all of our pieces in. And of course, you know, you want to put as many as you can, but you don't want it to be all on top of the other. You want them to have some room so they can cook all around. That should do. And then I spray a little bit of oil over the chicken, put it in, and then we're gonna cook it first for 10 minutes at 400. First 10 minutes of the chicken are done. I'm just gonna have a sip of my guava colada. Look for the video, it's delicious. So, oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Let me see if I can show you. You see that beautiful color? That's because of the sazon. It has achiote and it's gonna give it this reddish color that's as it cooks, it's gonna be beautiful. And it's gonna give it a lot of flavor. So now we're just gonna flip all your pieces around so they cook on the other side. And now we're gonna cook them for 10 more minutes at 400. Okay, next 10 minutes are done. So now we're gonna look at our chicken. You see, oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. It's just stunningly gorgeous. So now we're gonna switch it again. And then we're just gonna cook it like for 5 more minutes because the chicken is already cooked. Now we just want to brown it a little bit more. And then we want to eat it. So we put it 5 more minutes at 400. Chicken is ready, let's take it out. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Look at that. You tell me if that is not the most beautiful chicken you have ever seen. And it smells so good, I cannot wait to try it. I'm gonna take a little piece of this. It smells so good. It's hot, but I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, look at the smoke. That tells you it's completely cooked. And it's juicy, it's not dried up. You can tell. That is good chicken. That is great chicken. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching this episode. And please, if you like this video, click on the like, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you can receive notifications every time we have a new episode. We have the recipe on our website, spiceandadvice.com. And I thank you so much. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Okay, chicken cooked